How to add apps to Android Auto. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. Then click on the magnifying glass-like icon at the top right. Here, simply search Android Auto. Click on Android Auto. After you've clicked on Android Auto, simply scroll down, you'll find Display. Below Display, you'll find Customize Launcher. Click on it. After you click on Customize Launcher, scroll down in here, you'll find all the apps. Click on Add a shortcut to the launcher, and you will be able to add contact as well, any app. If you don't want any app from here, you can simply uncheck it as well. And if you want to add, simply press on it to add it. And after you do that, you're good to go. This is how to add apps to Android Auto. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.